Welcome back to RV Road Report. Today, we have something truly exciting for all the adventure lovers and motorhome fans. We're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Hyundai Porter Custom Motorhome, a unique creation that blends rugged practicality with stylish comfort. And the best part? This beauty is showcased in a vibrant yellow color, making it stand out on any road or campsite. With a rugged long body and 4x4 wheels, this motorhome is built to tackle highways, dirt trails, and off-road adventures with equal ease. Exterior front view. Now, let's start with the front view. Right here, you can see the Hyundai logo proudly displayed at the center, shining bright in the company's showroom lights. The front design is bold and dynamic, featuring a modern grille and a strong bumper that gives the vehicle a commanding presence. The headlights are sharp, LED-powered, and provide excellent illumination for night drives. The sleek hood lines complement the rugged character of this long-body motorhome. Top side view. Moving to the top side, this is where practicality meets innovation. The motorhome roof is fully equipped with solar panels, ensuring you have a sustainable energy source even in remote areas. Alongside the solar plates, you'll notice a neatly fitted antenna for better connectivity and a compact yet powerful AC unit to keep the interiors cool during summer road trips. Everything is integrated beautifully without making the vehicle look bulky. Back side view. Now let's head to the back. The rear side of this Porter motorhome is smartly designed, featuring an extra tire mounted at the back, always a lifesaver during off-road trips. Alongside that, you'll find a cycle carrier carefully adjusted, allowing travelers to carry bicycles for short rides and fun adventures once the motorhome is parked. The taillights are modern, providing excellent visibility and safety on highways. Side view. Looking at the side, the Hyundai Porter Custom Motorhome really shines. The long body design allows for additional space, and to top it off, Hyundai has included a side-mounted tent option. Imagine pulling over at your favorite campsite, setting up the tent in minutes, and enjoying a cozy sitting space outside the motorhome. Whether you're having a family barbecue, sipping coffee under the stars, or just relaxing outdoors, this feature adds an entirely new dimension to the travel experience. Driving compartment. Now, step inside the driving compartment. This space is where comfort meets control. The driver's cabin is spacious with ergonomic seating, offering excellent visibility of the road ahead. What really stands out are the two LED displays, one for navigation and entertainment, and the second dedicated to showing the backside view for safer reversing and parking. Hyundai has ensured that even the driver enjoys the journey with features like a modern steering wheel, climate control, and user-friendly controls. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driver's compartment, we enter the sitting and sleeping zone. This area is designed with a smart sofa-cum-bed system, so during the day, it's a comfortable lounge for conversations or meals, and at night, it transforms into a cozy bed. The seating is soft, the layout spacious, and the lighting warm, making it perfect for winding down after a long day of travel. The clever use of space ensures you never feel cramped, no matter how long you stay inside. Kitchen. Right next to the sitting area is the compact kitchen setup. Hyundai has managed to fit in all the essentials without wasting space: a small cooking range, a sink, and storage cabinets for food and utensils. The design is minimal but effective, allowing you to cook simple meals on the go. The placement next to the sitting and sleeping zone means you can cook and serve without any hassle. Washroom. Now let's check out the washroom. It's small but incredibly well planned. Hyundai has managed to fit a compact washroom that includes a toilet and a tiny shower space, cleverly adjusted within the motorhome's body. While compact, it gives travelers the independence to stay clean and fresh without relying on external facilities. The use of durable, easy-to-clean materials makes maintenance simple. This thoughtful addition makes the Porter Custom Motorhome a complete package for long trips. And that brings us to the end of our detailed look at the 2025 Hyundai Porter Custom Motorhome. With its vibrant yellow color, rugged long body, 4x4 wheels, and carefully designed interiors, this motorhome is ready to take you anywhere your heart desires. And for those wondering about the cost, the price tag is set at $69,000, which is impressive considering all the features packed inside. So, what do you think? Would you take this beauty out on your next adventure?